To cash a check on Dave, you will need to have a Dave account and the Dave app installed on your mobile device. First, open the Dave app and log into your account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the dashboard and click on the Cash a Check option. You will then be prompted to take a photo of the check you want to cash. Following the in-app instructions to ensure the photo is clear and legible. The check must be endorsed with your signature, and you should write for deposit only to your Dave account. After taking the photo, you will need to enter the check amount and confirm the details of the check. The app will then verify the check and provide you with an option to deposit the funds into your Dave account. If the check is approved, the funds will be deposited into your account, and you can use them immediately. It is essential to note that Dave may charge a fee for cashing checks, and the fee amount will be deducted from the check amount. To avoid any issues, make sure the check is valid and not post-dated, and that you have sufficient funds in your account to cover any fees. It is also crucial to keep your account information up to date and ensure your account is active and in good standing. By following these steps, you can easily cash a check on Dave and access your funds quickly and conveniently. It is always a good idea to review the terms and conditions of the Dave app and understand any applicable fees or requirements before cashing a check.